Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In this video, we're going to be going over the 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla Dome Light Bulb Number. There are a lot of options out there to choose from in different brands. I won't be able to cover them all in this short video, but I will list a few of the options. Okay, so we have the Bosch DE3175, the Ico DE3175, the Sylvania DE3175LL, which is the long life, and the Sylvania DE3175 LED, which is the LED option. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.